Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL WP35, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen, so right over here. Just to swipe down, and this will reveal a bunch of toggles. One of those toggles will be the battery saver, which you can see right over here for me. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It enables, and as you can see, it enables, I think, dark mode. Now we can see right here it changed from white to dark. So it enables dark mode. We'll do a couple of things in the background which aren't really stated when you click on it. Let's see if there's any info. When you hold it, you can see that also turns off at 90%, and the battery saver turns off dark theme and limits or turns off background activity, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. So those are all the things that will happen when enabling the battery saver. Now once you're done with it, you can find it and tap on it again to disable it or charge your device to above 90% battery. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.